Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Tanya, and today I'm going to take you through one of my favorite warm-ups. I perform this warm-up, it's probably 1 out of 3 of my go-to warm-ups, and all you're going to need is a dumbbell. If you've been looking for a channel to help you build a healthy relationship around food, exercise, and overall self-care, great news, you have found it. Make sure you subscribe, hit that post notification, and share this video with friends because we have so many free goodies in the description box below just for you. Today you're going to do the chopper. You're going to do up and down, side to side, and low to high. You're just going to need a dumbbell or even your own body weight, and repeat this circuit 2 times. Here you're going to do a up and down movement, and this is part 1 of the chopper. So you're just going to go down, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up. I'm driving from the heels of my feet and I'm driving my hips. As I'm coming up, I'm squeezing my butt cheeks to protect my lower back. I'm going down, relaxing, exhaling up, squeezing my booty. I'm driving my energy from the heels of my feet. As you can see, the heels of my feet, I'm driving forward, inhaling down, exhaling up. Step 2 is just going to be a side-to-side movement. You're going to do this about 10 to 20 times, and just make sure that you're pivoting your feet. So the way that my feet are moving, it's called a pivot. I'm rotating my hips side to side as I'm going from one side to the other, and I'm rotating my feet, as you can see here. Next, we have a low to high. Sometimes people get confused with this one, but I'll guide you through it. We're gonna go down to our right foot like we're tying our shoe, and coming up like we're pulling the dumbbell on the shelf. So coming down, inhaling down, and exhaling up. And now we're gonna just do the left side. You wanna do this 10 times. You're gonna inhale down, exhale up. Pretend like you're gonna go tie your shoe down and putting the dumbbell on the shelf. Thank you so much for watching today's video on how to perform a dynamic warm-up, a functional warm-up, a very simple warm-up, or you can just use it to do. It takes about 5 minutes. If you like this video, hit like, leave a comment helpful in the description box below. Make sure you check out the description box below because I always have free stuff there for you. And in the meantime, remember to give yourself permission to look, feel, and be your absolute best, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye.